Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a 8-bedroom villa, fully staffed with private swimming pool and only 10 minutes from the Sangsters International Airport. The comfortable Ladywood house has a total of 8 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. 2 bedrooms with king size bed, 2 bedrooms with queen beds that share a bathroom. The spacious house has a large living room with French doors that opens to the commanding view of the Caribbean Sea and the Half Moon Golf Course. A dining room with cathedral-style ceiling and fully equipped TV room. Adjacent is a Ladywood cottage. Bedroom number 1 has a queen-size platform bed style. Bedroom number 2 has double beds that can be kissed together as a king. There is a large covered veranda and a small kitchen or living room area. Perfect for tennis enthusiasts of all levels, boasting its own private tennis courts. This villa is only 10 minutes drive away from the beaches. 4 world-class golf course and tennis facilities, restaurants, water sports and craft markets. The total land area is 87,120 square feet. Other features include ceramic and wood flooring, garden area, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, swimming pool, jetted bathtub, hot tub, sprinkler system, fully fenced, standby generator, guest house, 24-hour security, hurricane shutters, jacuzzi whirlpool, private setting, view of the ocean, quiet area, landscaped and acreage. The price of this villa is US 2.1 million or Jamaican $324 million. Now, let's take a look at this property and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.